Guys, watch this horse get a satisfying hoof trim. Since there's no horseshoe on, the farrier starts directly with the hoof knife, gently trimming the surface and revealing that healthy white layer underneath. It's a sign of a well-maintained hoof. Next, he moves on to the clipper to trim the outer edges, kind of like cutting our own nails. This step helps shape the hoof properly. After all the final touches, the farrier checks the balance of the hoof and carefully tests the horseshoe to make sure it fits just right. Now the hoof is cleaned, balanced, and ready to go.